Hey everyone, Josh here, and in today's video, we're gonna be talking about audio. Now, audio is the most overlooked element in video creation, but to be real, audio is just as important as video. In Filmora, there's a bunch of different audio tools that will help us get better audio for our videos. So go ahead and check out the link down below now and download Filmora. So here we are in Filmora 12. I have some footage loaded up on the timeline. I'm recording my friend riding his electric unicycle. We're recording this audio in mono format, which means that it's only going to be recorded to one channel or one side. Usually, recording audio is meant to go to both sides, left and right. So for example, right now you're hearing my voice on one channel. So we need to convert it so it works on two channels so you hear it out of both ears. You can easily do that in Filmora. Just right click on the video clip, detach the audio, copy the audio, then paste it, and then line it up to the original audio. On one audio clip, we're gonna go to the audio settings. We're gonna switch it to the left channel by moving the slider to the left. And the other one, we're gonna slide it over to the right. And now if we play it back, you can hear a complete difference in sound.
Now we have Velcro that we're going to be putting on the top edges, on the sides, for the reason of these little foam pieces. Now we have Velcro that we're going to be putting on the top edges, on the sides, for the reason of these little foam pieces.
To seal everything up and to make sure you don't mess anything up later in your project, go ahead and highlight both the audio and the video clip, right click, and keep group. That way everything is grouped together and it will never go out of sync if you move one of the audio tracks away from the rest of this video or the secondary audio. Another great tool within Filmora is the Equalizer tool. If we double click the video clip, go to audio, and scroll down, we have the Equalizer. This is a great option for those of you who want to apply different effects to audio. For example, the Equalizer will allow us to simulate a phone-like voice. So right now you're listening to that effect right now as I'm talking to you. And then you can actually increase the bass, decrease the bass, increase the treble. And if you want to do everything manually, you can go into the settings option and you can mess around with these sliders right here. And as I go through the different presets, you can see the sliders on the Equalizer change. These are basically the frequencies of the audio that are coming through. And when we scroll down even farther into the audio settings or audio parameters, you can remove hissing noises, humming noises, you can even enable denoise. But for me personally, try to record the audio as best as you can. Denoising always affects the audio quality, but it's good to know that we have that option within Filmora. So I hope this video has showed you how to create better audio with your video, because audio is just as important. We're gonna cover some more audio tips in a future tutorial, so make sure you're subscribed with those notifications turned on. I'll see you in another video. Peace.